So I get asked all the time, who's gonna be managing your projects? So your project will be managed by a dedicated project manager, or it should be at least. Sometimes, depending on the scope of your project, you might need a site super, somebody there from the general contracting company to oversee every step of the project. Your project manager will be the one that is gonna be able to go over all the details, manage the site appropriately, and make sure that everything is good to go. The complexity of your project is going to really tell what you need for supervision. So we're on a project right now that's almost complete. I'm the business owner and I like to make sure that everything is up to par, but essentially your project will be managed by a dedicated project manager. Somebody that understands the entire scope, knows how to handle the trade partners, make sure that we stay on schedule and on budget. Those are the professionals that make a project go from an A- to an A+.